Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to unbox the brand new Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus for you guys. Let's take a look at what's inside the retail bundle. We have the phone itself, a 120 watts charger, and a USB cable. That's all you need to get started with your new phone. But wait, there's more. Inside the paper compartment, we have a soft transparent case, a SIM ejection pin, and some paperwork. These extras really add value to the unboxing experience, and show that the company has thought of everything you need. Overall, I'm really impressed with the unboxing of the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update from me. For additional content, be sure to follow me on Twitter and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.